Yo, my name's Fernando. I go by First Savvy. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. A lot of energy going through me right now. I don't even know what to say, but I'm gonna say. 10 years ago, I went vegan. A year and a half into that, I was gonna quit. But then I found this spot, Veganized. It was down the corner, right? Down the corner. 10 years ago, I pull up into here and it just changed my life. It taught me that I could eat healthily, very deliciously, and clean without having to dominate a whole species, all right? Without killing nothing. I was able to nourish myself. I had 3 kids after that. It really changed my life. I would have quit a year into it, and it's been 11 years. And thanks to this spot, I'm here today still being vegan. And I don't call myself vegan, I'm plant-based. Because veganism is just like, I don't know, I feel like that's an agenda or something. But plant-based. And then the thing is that it's organic, so there's no chemicals created by nobody. It's all by earth. This is the place that you want to be at if you are plant-based. So a lot of energy, family. First Savvy. Take care.